Bruh. Well, hello again, traders. Welcome to, it's the regularly scheduled stream, but I'm early by 15 minutes, just because some more price action's going on. The continuation, right? The hidden bullish divergence is continuing to play out, where, we're showing positive momentum now. And you would think that if we got follow the price action, we'd get a histogram island like this, and we'd see all-time highs. Right, that's being implied on the 4-hour chart after backtesting the old little supply line as a demand line, and the bullish engulfing Marabazoo is what ushered in this further price action. 11 hours of positive price action after that engulfing Marabazoo was confirmed, and it looks like Tesla got another upgrade. I think it's up after hours. Right, 850 was the target or something stupid. Stocks today closed higher. We looked at it on the other. I just had a stream. I streamed a little while ago for some price action. So I don't know if we're going to close at all-time highs, but we're extremely close. You're at a point where, you got an hour, 8 minutes. There's plenty of time to get the highest 4-hour candle close of all time, which would be 34,508 is what we need. All right. I've got a little alert set up right above it. And that is something we haven't even tested with Wicked yet. At the highest point, we haven't been higher than where traders set it up January 3rd, a couple days ago. All right. So yeah, remember, it's like the attempted rally. It's either a lower high, a double top, or a higher high. Right. The only few things that can happen. Well, we're about to be at a double top. At least we know it's probably not going to be a lower high right now. But if it's a higher high, we got the targets already set up: 36,755, 1272, 37,765, 1414. Gold mean ratio 39,215. But really, man, you got to think psychological resistance above 35k, 40k.
Praise Bull Jesus.
What's up, 420? Thanks for the 420 euros.
Is that a joint?
The 515. Oh. Interesting. Good to see y'all again, where history is on the cusp of happening again. And it's always fun being live when history happens, right? I even tweeted. I never tweet that I'm live. I just did it because it's like, why not, man? History. I need to up my Twitter game. That's what I've been told by many people advising me to do that. So, whatever, dude. Peter Schiff get wrecked again. Crypto Zeppelin. You don't have to be mean to Peter Schiff, dude. All right. No one hurt Peter Schiff's feelings. All right. You don't know, man. It's like you get that old. You figured you'd keep an open mind somewhat, at least when data presents itself. But he didn't. He might just be trolling. That's a real form of trolling Peter Schiff's doing. One sec. Get some decibel level check too, because I never know if it's too loud or too quiet. We got futures reopening in 7 minutes, where we closed 34,155. So that's gonna obviously gap up, right? You know it is. Hour 6 minutes till your daily candle close, which I think it'll be the highest daily candle close of all time. Yes, it will. We will have history no matter what, assuming prices stay reasonably around this level, all-time highs where traders set it up, and that is great. And it's a big bullish engulfing candle. Chat, the party is back. You think, oh man, yesterday everyone's scared, everyone's losing their minds, it's all over for Bitcoin, and then crazy stuff the next day.
Gotta rewatch Goodfellas this weekend. I spy some 12 hours class of hidden bullish divergence. December 27th to Jan 4 points being formed on the RSI. Thoughts?
Don't worry
Shout
too
out to all
much.
Honest makers and
Bitcoin
Patreon
is
fans.
beautiful. There's nothing to worry about.
Nothing to worry about. What are you worried about? That's right. Yeah, Goodfellas, man. I love it. Friggin' love it. I'm rewatching all the Sopranos right now, actually. Great shit. If you hadn't seen Sopranos, what are you doing with your life? Go check it out. It's an oldie, but a goodie. Just remember, before Game of Thrones became the most watched TV show in history, guess what was the champ before that? It was Sopranos. I think Sopranos is still second place. Anyway. Y'all tell me about the decibel. I don't want the stream to be ruined by music being too loud or too quiet. I'm not seeing anything. We're good, James. Hey, New Jersey. Hey. Well, last summer I was out in New Jersey. I had to, I was in a hotel, Newark, New Jersey. A little quiet. Okay. I'll turn just a degree. Shouldn't be too bad. That's what I'm talking about, though. Like it seems like on my side it should be fine, but it sounds like it's not. Total market cap. We're gonna have history again today, I think. Soon, if this really starts going, chat, then we're about to retake Alibaba in market cap. Gotta love total that is at $921 billion. We're gonna get $1 trillion, chat. It's coming. Nothing's certain, but dude, $1 trillion's coming. You can smell it. Okay. We're at the highest levels we've ever been by far. Here's total. 847 was the highest level. That was not even on TradingView. 761 was TradingView's highest level. This is like CoinMarketCap with BitConnect and all the trash that was in there too, that didn't ever make the cut on TradingView's aggregate. So anyway, you're above that. So I'm talking, we got an alert set up at $1 trillion market cap, and you think that's coming. I mean, if Bitcoin hits 38K, 40K, you're gonna get $1 trillion. It's gonna happen, dude. All right. So just understand and look at the volume. What in the world? Do you see the volume level today on total? The last time we've seen volume this high, dude. Oh, never. Literally never seen volume this high the past 3 days on total. That engulfing candle is momentous. And the follow through price action we receive could very well take us to $1 trillion in the next couple days. Not even kidding, man. That's a statement candle right there. Continuation candle. Expect fireworks. Yep. Imagine hitting a $1 trillion market cap on the 6th when like all the insane drama is going to happen in Washington, D.C. You got, dude. If you haven't been paying attention, tomorrow is going to be wild, okay? There's some serious crazy stuff that's going to happen tomorrow. Could happen tomorrow. You don't know, but you got to be paying attention, all right? The National Guard got called in. I mean, it's insane. I think there's, based on travel reports, there were around an influx of 2 to 3 million people coming into DC.
Without King Ray the First would still be hodling XRP and missing out on life-changing tendies. If you ever need a kidney or something, I got you.
Wow, Sam T, thanks for the kidney.
XRP, price gonna dip.
Thank you, dude. Yeah, dude, XRP is down 4%. Hasn't moved really much since the earlier stream. Tron's down 7%. I don't know what to say about Tron. Tron was a great trade setup this summer. The Tron to BTC pair, that was it, dude. Didn't care about it after that. Bull. It was such an educational trade setup, too. So, we went over it pretty in depth yesterday. There was an asset that we were looking at that was very similar to Tron to BTC that caused me to look at it. What was it? What asset was it, chat? Someone's going to remember. Anyway. Someone's calling me from somewhere. Hold on a sec, y'all.
Look used on the 3D Plus.
Hey. Hey. Yes. I'm sorry. What's going on? Do you know what Bitcoin is? Have you seen Bitcoin's price lately? No, I do not. Bye. Okay, I don't know who that was. I don't know what they were calling about. But I did inform them about Bitcoin. Sorry. Anyway. So they were warned, chat. Like, we were all looking at the hidden bullish divergence yesterday in development, and now it seems that all-time highs is almost imminent now. Was that the Lambo dealership? I don't know. I could barely understand her. She had a very thick accent. And it wasn't southern. It was not a thick southern accent. I can understand those pretty well. Okay. Okay. So imagine all-time highs on the craziest day, maybe of 2021, that will be tomorrow. Closing on my, well, it was supposed to be Friday. Something happened with the underwriters, and closing on my new place on Monday. So I gotta wait all weekend for that. Okay, I'll deal with it. Yeah, Tesla's up after hours, 73. Yep, all right. Futures are back open. You got a gap up on Bitcoin like we discussed. Bottom right of your screen, we're sitting at $34,800. Okay, dude, don't worry. You don't ever have to tell me about wasting money on a Lamborghini. I'd never buy one of those. What's the point? It's such a joke. A fool and their money is easily parted. Now, I mean, if you have complete, hey, you're multi-billionaire, by all means. But even if you're a millionaire, like, what's even the point? It's so stupid. Anyway, so let's see how high this goes. Currently at, I think this is all-time highs. Bitcoin is at all-time highs on future price. If you don't know, GBTC closed at all-time highs today, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. We are looking at it. We saw it happen the moment it closed, the stock market closed. So that's gorgeous. Boomers still buying Bitcoin based on that chart. What are we doing? August 16th, 2017, Kenny. Well, remember, in August of 2016 or 2017, Kenny, I think you would agree with me here. No institutions were buying Bitcoin. None.
The daily August 16th, 2017. Be cautious.
August 16th, 2017. PayPal had not mass adopted crypto. Arya Stark had not bought crypto. Elon was not tweeting about how to buy copious amounts of Bitcoin OTC, right? NFL players weren't trying to get half their contract money in Bitcoin. Charizard was not going for $300,000, right? There was not COVID. There was not fiat. There was not 35% of all US dollars in circulation right now created in 2020, right? That had not. So many things that just didn't happen. So what you say doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. The conditions are extremely different than whatever date you just told me. August of 2017. August 16th, 2017.
F. Lambos. I want my Tesla Cybertruck. D.
What's up, thanks for the threes, the Cybertruck Connect. Yeah, dude, Vetmoon Boy would descend me. So, no Cybertrucks. You can't even get them yet, though, right? And they didn't get all COVID screwed up. Someone give me an update on the Tesla truck stuff. And VeChain hit all-time highs today. And Vetmoon Boy's been MIA. It's kind of crazy, man. Kind of scary. Hope he's okay. What are we looking for here? What's going on? What makes August 16, 2017 such a big deal? An engulfing candle that sold off before it rallied to higher highs, and then all of a sudden, and later we went to all-time highs even more. Meh. I don't understand the difference or what makes today the same as this date you gave me. All right. He's just saying because it looks similar, we should look at caution. Hey, guess what? You know what happened on August? Listen to me on the daily. August 16th, 2017. Bitcoin was at 78 on the RSI. What are we at right now on the daily? We're probably overbought, aren't we? Yeah, we're really overbought. So now much larger candles here. Again, I think you would all agree with me. The conditions are so much different than they were in August of 2017. Okay. Fake Prodigy, I know, dude. I don't think he was trying to insult me either. I don't what. I was just asking him. I was just asking what the difference was, and then I was just trying to go into the difference between then and now. And I think that what gave perspective, right? When we talk about all the differences and events, world events that are going on, man. I mean, all we got. You got all central banks concur and agree that the digitization of fiat is where we're going. China's already doing it, should tell you, man. I don't want to live in a world that's so controlled heavily by central banks where they can just change things whenever they want individually.
I knew nothing about charts. Learned so much about TA since then and made sick tendies. Thank you, bruh.
Connor G, thanks for the £5 super chat, and thanks for letting me know, man. Right, those are the best contributions, dude. The ones where, hey, you're giving back because you picked some things up and you learned them, and it's been a positive effect on your life in some way. So thank you, man. All right, feels real good, man. All right, I think we have the. Yeah, this is how I feel.
China
right
to
there.
me, China
Feels good.
China.
Was going to tip you earlier, but can we check SPCE when you get the time, man?
Hey, the crypto tips are working again. My God.
780H.
Space, Virgin Galactic. Why not? 917 billion total. All right. Virgin Galactic, man. They don't have a working product yet. Just remember that. That's okay though. Yeah, hidden bullish divergence on the daily. Hidden daily bullish divergence connect. Wow. Okay. Kind of digging this chart. Kind of liking it. All right. Let's see how it plays though. Nothing's certain. I do like this. All right. Space. Virgin Galactic had a huge run up and it's dumped, right? But look what's happened. You're at the highest level where traders set it up October of 2020. And you're showing hidden bullish divergence, and today we bullishly engulfed. All right, that's a signal that the impending price action continuation of the upside could be occurring. Let's see. It's not certain. We don't know. Probably need some more data, but that's a good sign, man. Daily engulfing candle at a nice line with hidden bullish divergence. If you don't hold that, you're going down to 21 bucks. This is great. Great sign here. That was a 4 hour. Maybe it's even better. Oh man. All right. So on the 4 hour, you have classic. This is the combination we're looking for. Space actually looks pretty good, man. What are you talking about, man? So impending price action continuation the upside on the daily, and impending price action reversal to the upside on the 4 hour. Classic and hidden, the combo. All right. So engulfing on the 4 hour.
Way better. I sent you weekly, daily in 4 hours. Check your DMs or need me to send this again.
Sure, dude. Thank you. 5150. Sorry, man. It's trying to keep rolling. All right. So if this actually played out, it's a great way to assess risk, manage risk. It's like easy. Duh. You don't want anything to do with the asset below 23 bucks. Okay. So target pretty easy. I mean, I don't think you would want to be settling for anything lower than a 50% retrace. So 29.35 could be your first target. Second target would be a gap fill, or just below the gap fill at the 618. Right, 1 and 2. That's it. The gap fill could be a third target or something. Right there at 32.07. That's space, man. Okay, we're at a nice line. We're engulfing. Divergence is playing out. It's begun to build positive momentum, just like Bitcoin is, right? On the 4 hour, it's starting to go green again. This is it. This is where it would start. All right. Nice one on space, dude. So you could just look at it kind of like this. All right, pretty tight stop, whatever. 3.21 to 1 reward or risk, easy. You get out with minimal losses just below that ice line. You don't want anything to do with it after that. Boom, 3 to 1, and then whatever it'll be above that would be more than 3 to 1, which is what matters the most. Okay, space looking like a snack, probably or possibly, right? Nothing's certain, but either way, we know we don't have to risk too much to see it go to those just common retrace levels, 50% 618. Great, man.
Bruh.
Nice. Nice.
It's China to me, China.
Hello kid, I'm back. Since I last sent you a message, XRP was at 0.2. Guess the price now? higher. Bitcoin, on the other hand, just topped out and all you BTC maxes will be crying me a river once XRP Rexy SEC. XRP flipping 0.0035895 ETH.
Chat, y'all got something to say?
What's up, bro?
You just got wrecked, chat, by XRP. XRP just destroyed all of you. What are you gonna do about it, man? Huh? What's up, Anon? Mara probably looking well, you know. Nice one, Jacob Calabrese. Thank you, man. Space looking good. You hear that, chat? We're screwed. It's all over for Bitcoin. Might as well just wrap it up. Might as well just stop streaming, dude.
Brother, you check out TRT/use for me, thanks.
Thanks, Donald. Sure. That one didn't really look that great. It was backtesting, support as resistance, not much data. There's so many better opportunities out there. But if you want, sure. Very interesting on space, man. Y'all give me a second, okay? I gotta do something, knock it out. Oh, the trick. Yes, I love that, man. Just give me a sec, man. Almost done. What are you worried about, man? Bitcoin's pulling back, so who cares? Remember? Bitcoin's topping out. XRP guy said. And yeah, he's right. XRP's up 20, or it's up 2 pennies. John Afonso, man, oh my god!
John Afonso tipped $160.78. Thankful for life. God bless you, bro. Love from Portugal. 1.000000000 LTC.
God bless you too, John Afonso, Portuguese Jesus, man. Thank you, dude, for the 1 Litecoin contribution. Let's go, dude. Crypto! Thanks, dude. Wow. And thank you for all the support over all this time. Unfortunately, we did have to shift our, our bad ideas long ago, but that was a great decision, right? Once it was just not performing, it was like, dude, F that. Just converted to Bitcoin long ago, like many $15,000 ago, right? Glad I did it.
Banned. I guess he was right. I was just trying to defend the room against silliness and vague racism. Whatever. I'll still watch you, Mitch. Thanks for everything.
Dude, I don't know, man. Like, I'm just streaming, dude. All right, I have no idea the beefs that are going on. Okay. You gotta abide by the rules. I don't know. Okay. Thanks for the 10. Anyway, moving on. Mara. Oh, let me post something. I was in the middle of something. Okay, anyway. We're gonna go to Mara and check it out. The show must roll on. Nice day today. Up 23.45% like it was a joke.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
50% retrace, right? That's all you got. There's nothing else. I mean, like, the next real, like, actual solid support resistance that isn't even really that strong is $20. So, hidden bullish divergence was certainly there on the 4 hour. Look here. I mean, listen. Look, a low and a higher low with higher levels of negative momentum. All right, bullish convergence on the RSI. This is great, man. That's impending price action, continuation, the upside. Bam! Now you didn't break the highest, the 52-week highs. You were right at it. If Bitcoin has a run this evening or something, it will be at all-time highs tomorrow, right? But it's just, it's at a 50% retrace. That's Dow's theory, right? Anytime an asset has a drawdown or a markup, it retraces eventually 50% of the way before reversing to the downside. And then it did that, but it didn't spend much time down there before reversing again. So you're just at it. Your next target will be the golden retrace after that at 1748. Oh yeah. So we're going to the Super S coin world. It's like Super Mario's, but for S coins, GRT to USD. Kind of interesting, I guess. Maybe you broke a supply line here or something. If you get back above 32.9 cents, it could have a nice markup. Right, if GRT gets above 33 cents, really, which it's trying to, if it gets above it, then it's got, I think the target would be 43 cents. I don't know if that's going to happen. I'm just telling you what would happen if it did. And yeah, I mean, 4-hour divergence kind of going on. It's not really that clean or anything, but yeah, I mean, so it's about the if. And so I guess you could say, technically, you're at a very low risk, high reward opportunity area. Or I think if you're getting back down to 28.8 cents, it's over. It's done. It's going to dump to lower levels. So, like, let's say it did hold and it, started catching some bids. 3.29 to 1 reward to risk right here on GRT. Right? This is the ice line. But I'd feel more comfortable if it got back above 33 cents. Okay, it hasn't done that yet. So I'm just telling you a way to size it up. This is education, man. Education, learning. Forget these S coins as something you're actually trading right now. You don't have to. Just think about this on any asset out there. What I'm trying to do to this, you would do to anything else. Gold, silver, copper, sugar futures, Bitcoin, Amazon, Google, Nvidia, Mara, you name it, dude. It's not about GRT. It's about the TA and the education. All right. That's it. If it broke 43 cents, 48 cents. So easy 1-2 target. Boom. It's like that. All right. Don't think there's no data for anything on the daily. No, there's not. See, that's what sucks, dude. Like, trying to trade assets with little data. I mean, you see right here, what you want is hidden bullish divergence to be developing, which we have no idea on the daily because there's no data. And then the classic 4-hour divergence, just like space. SPCE, that's what we're looking for. And there goes Bitcoin. As it was climbing, it's now 33,860. It was at 34,450 or so. Hundreds of dollars like nothing, dude. Like it was a joke. Then we could talk about maybe a third target. Could be 55 cents. Each peak, each little discernible peak, I guess, on the 4 hours. What could be a target there? This is just if, man. This isn't like it hasn't happened so much yet. Like, just so keep your eye on GRT. Just that's all I'm saying. Keep your eye on it. Could be good. If we see the bottom again, I think it's done. You don't want to ever see. If you're at this level, you don't ever want to fall back below this right here. This 31.99 cent area, 32 cents. Okay, that's it. Okay. Education, man, so great. Using these S coins to teach people how to do things, how to read charts good. Just kidding. I know it's read charts well, but it's a center for kids who can't chart good, who can do other good things too, right? Really, really good looking charts. Really, really, really good looking charts. Okay. There's no chart pattern, there's no harmonic, there's no any of that, right? It's just on a whiff, man.
Mitch, can you look at New Cipher? New?
Sure, Bryson. Total 2's inching higher. New cipher. Interesting. Kind of reminds me of GRT a little bit, right? There's the ice line. You're above that, that's good. There wasn't an edge on the pop, right? Nothing on the 4 hour implied a reversal of the upside was coming. Wasn't very good. But the fact is, anything above 16.6 cents is really bullish, I think. Okay, we're talking, you're near the bottom of a range. This is good. I mean, this is bullish. As long as you stay above 16.6 cents, you're good. I mean, like, this is, God, man. All right, duh. All right, we just size it up pretty easily. I hate that it keeps happening where we keep seeing these pretty decent opportunities here. That's it, right? I mean, top of the range is 25 cents. Trader settled up right there. That's why I chose that. That's it, man. 2.91 to 1 reward to risk situation going on. You know, you can go a little bit tighter to make it equitable. Yeah, move it up just a little bit. Stop at 15.9 cents, and you got a 3.05 to 1 reward to risk. Nice range. In you. Nice. One target, 2 targets. Maybe the top of the wicks are, and then third target could be just swinging for the freaking fences on this. Who knows? Been there before. Good God. Always having to stop, or those targets just a little bit, just a very small infinitesimal amount right below the resistance, just so you make sure your order gets filled, because everyone's going to be having limit sells at those areas. Everyone, I mean, that's trading for real, that knows what they're doing. So having just a little bit, just a tad bit lower, you get filled before them, right? The limit sells. That's so. Unfortunately, there's no edge. Nothing's implying over it unless the daily said something. Not enough data, right? Not enough data, unfortunately. Yep, that's what sucks about these. So educational, but man, without the daily helping you, it kind of is unfortunate. So still, again, great, man, great. Let me, just give me a second. Just give me a sec. Interesting. Hold on. This is just like what we look for anywhere, man. Like an asset that's at a range, it's fallen below the bottom of the range, but got back above it. Very good stuff, okay? As long as it stays above it, the probability increases we go to the next resistance, the top of the range.
Could you take a look at SPE? Hidden bearish divergence almost played out and now showing hidden bullish divergence. Thoughts? Can you look at my coin, Nano?
No, I can't actually. Sorry. Read the description for Super Trash coins. Everyone else is doing it. Everyone else is abiding by the rules, right? Oh my God, a stop. Oh, 3 drives pattern maybe? Too late, I guess, but 1, 2, 3. 3 drives. Right, low to high. Near, yep, 618. So the short would have been up here if it was like that. Yeah, triple RSI bearish divergence in the end, and you dumped. Nice uptrend, but very little support resistance. So yeah, you don't have much up here, man. Not really sure how to. There's nothing to me sticks out. I mean, there might have been an opportunity here. Was it a 1618?
Still learning, sir. Is Is there an edge emerging on etc.?
It's a 1414 reverse. Wow.
Played out? It looks already past entry emo.
I don't know. I think screen third eye. I don't know. So with this one, maybe there was a chance, but it didn't hit the 1618, which would have been the entry for the short up there. Big bearish engulfing candle, and it's just been selling off. So if it breaks 3270, then it's there's just not much resistance, support. I mean, up here. So I don't know, man. Goodness, do you see the delusion, chat? The delusion of the XRP Moon Boys is here. Wow. They're becoming rabid now, aren't they? Like rabid XRP cult. It's like they just demand attention. They're like, I need attention, man. Please don't forget about me.
It's China to me, China. China.
I might be like
Tootsie Roll.
DJ Khaled, but I got another one, TR. 0.00454549 EDH.
Yeah, it was it's had its nice pop though. Yeah, it's still down there. It broke up. Yeah, this is great, dude. This is a harmonic, right? Wasn't it? A big harmonic on Tootsie Roll? Dude, look. It's still here. Remember Cheddar? Look, dude. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, dude. This is it. Like, Tootsie Roll's going, I mean, eventually, think you're looking for high targets.
I hope you are feeling better. Could you please take a look at Hugo stock? I think it could have some potential.
So, Mitesh, I'm feeling okay. I'm okay. Someone buy some merch? Hold on. Yeah, Tootsie Roll is primed for much higher prices. It's been that way though, right? You just had to be patient. I mean, hit the PCZ in late September. But guess what it's doing? It's showing consecutive higher lows. Consecutive higher low, like a low, then the higher low, and then about the same low. But both these lows are higher than this one, and you're about to jump across the creek. Target's $35, man. $35 on Tootsie Roll. Not even a joke, dude. Bullish Gartley pattern, undeniable. It's beautiful. All right, $35. I mean, pretty simple, I guess. If you're talking about sizing something up just below that low there, and then you don't balk, right? You don't settle for anything lower than $35. That high, that first time ever it hit $35, June 2016. That's it, dude. That's a way to size up a monster pattern like this. Then your second target could be $37, which is another all-time high from December 2016. Good lord. And then a third target, C or A. Probably A, just because C is so close.
Thoughts on Hejik, number 3 on Defi Pulse in the Rivs 18.
There it is, Tootsie Roll, man. Tootsie Roll. Let me see that Tootsie Roll. That's a tight stop, tightish stop, but the fact that we've regarded this support resistance this many times and we're above it now leads me to believe 3 times. If you tested the bottom again, you test the stop level again, it's over. It's probably screwed. Yeah, dude, this is serious. I mean, this is a serious support resistance you're above right now, and you've held for too long, for months. It's time. It's time for Tootsie Roll, all right? My God, hold on. Give me a sec. Oh my God, it's so bright. It's funny. It's like the XRP scrubs, cult followers are like, look what they have to do. They're like, this is like when a king has to scream he's the king When you have to scream you're the king, you're not the king. When you have to spam and say, what was the message these losers are putting in? XRP flipping's coming. XRP wrecked Michael Saylor with dump on your scrubs. I hold above 2 million XRP and it would make me a millionaire. Wrecked Bitcoiners. Wrecked. Topped out. That's like what he said. You realize like when you do that, when you have to spam like that, we all know you're wrong. I'm sorry that you've lost so much money. Like, that kid has lost so much money. He's so mad that he has to do this. It's futility. It's extreme amounts of futility. It doesn't make sense. It's like a masochism. Like, you have to be a masochist to be okay holding XRP for real throughout all this. Masochist. Like, you're okay with the bad outcome. I don't know. You get pleasure from it or something. It's weird. Wow, Tootsie Roll, dude. Let's go. I'll put my money on Tootsie Roll all day over XRP. And I know you will too.
Remember when XRP and ETH has equal market caps? Now look at them. Enough said.
Yeah, at one point XRP for a little bit was above Ethereum, right? Just for a few days way back in 2017. And then it was like gone. It was done. You know, it was like never happened again. ETC, I haven't looked at it in a while. I don't keep up with that one so much. Just a lot of chop. Near the top of a range. You know, if it ever broke 765, it's going to 950. But it hadn't done that. It hasn't done that since back in February of 2020. So yeah, sure, if ETC ever breaks 765, yeah, it had a nice run. I mean, but if it ever breaks 765, one could assume 951, assuming it doesn't just upthrust and fail like it has before. Like, we were monitoring this one. This is before all the 51% attacks, or there were at least 5 more 51% attacks. We're talking about if it ever did break this critical ISO. We had a nice, this is a very successful trade setup. Inverse head and shoulders have played out than the upthrust. But
Martin Mizuki super chatted $49.99. Hi Mitch, brother from another mother.
What's up, Martin?
If you look at my asset dollar, coin, Uniswap is outperforming everything else I own this past week. Could you look at the 4-hour when you get a second? You're the best.
Thank you, Martin, for the $50 super chat. Let's go, dude. Peace, says Dow Jones. The daily Dow Jones saying peace. Thank you, man. Peace be upon you. What's up, Alexander?
As always, appreciate your time.
Appreciate the contribution, man. Supporting the stream. That's what you're doing. Crowdsourced, 100%. There is no affiliate marketing nor monetization via advertising. There's not.
But can you look at Pepe?
Well, you met the criteria. We can look at Nano now. You hit the $10 criteria. Your 2 contributions. Thank you, man. It's just a rule. It's a rule because of exploitation from nefarious people out there. Okay, during pump streams. Thank you. Hold on. Let's see. I don't know if Cheddar's watching, but dude, look at it. It's time. It's time to rise. Tootsie Rolls, dude. Diabetes on. Yeah, Huya had it's up 6% today. Kind of love it above 1950. Yeah, above 1950 is amazing on Huya. Huya. Gotta love it, man. This is a request. All right, very good looking. I mean, pretty decent looking chart, and kind of near that bottom, right? You want nothing to do with the asset below 1950, but what it's doing now, if it stays above that long enough, could see 2988, top of the range. Now, you know, there are some support resistances over looking left locally, I guess.
XR or XR Poly. I am so enjoying Lord Mitch Ray's XRP racks.
What's that, dude? Thank you, Joe Lewis. Thanks, dude. Oh my god, dude. What's up with the spam and the freakouts, dude? Everyone's freaking out in the chat. We're not even doing anything on Bitcoin. We're not even at 34K and everyone's freaking out. Okay, so you think from here, if this now what could happen would be the best thing ever, most ideal utopian thing that could ever happen on Huya. And the thing is, look at this. You had bullish divergence on the RSI on the lower low. The best thing that could ever happen for this asset would be a pullback to back test the spring, entry, and then it goes, right? Then it creates maybe a inverse head and shoulders looking stuff, right? You may not get it because it did break, it sprung, and it did technically back test the spring on December 31st.
DeFi project on Binance Smart Chain Spartan Protocol Sparta/BNB shows bullish divergence in multiple time scale. ETH compatible with low fees. About to explode emo. Could you check what do you see please?
We'll put it on the list, man. Alright? Put it on the list. Really tough to gauge where that supply line was in the situation, right? I think it did break some sort of downside resistance, whichever way we anchor. Like that, it broke, right? Or if you anchor from the top. So kind of tough to do that, but yeah, it would be great to get a back test of 1950. You may not get it, but anything above 1950 is bullish on HUYA. Anything below it is bearish. That's it. It's pretty simple. And eventually 2615, 2988 could be targets. Okay, that's it for you who asked about HUYA. Sean, I don't know about that, what that is. Okay, I have no idea what that is. Thanks, dude, for the 761. Uniswap. Well, then we, you know, it was a rectangle. It was a bullish rectangle, and it broke out. Right? It broke out, man. Bullish engulfing candle today. Exceeded the 618. Next target 694. Right? If you could ever get above what 516, that was the next target. 694, and above that you would think maybe 858. It's that high. That's how I Fibonacci'd. I mean, it helped. It really did give me a good gauge on things. You didn't use the crazy one. You just used the next one, right where their candle body was, and then high to low down there. And I think that's decent so far. So 694 is where you're headed probably on Uniswap. Okay, exceeding the golden zone. Just surpassed the golden retrace today. Nice, dude. Okay, right down here, gotta love it. A low. This is almost bullish divergence, convergence. Oh, definitely convergence, but it was almost divergence. I love it, man. Love that rectangle hitting the bottom, holding weak sellers at the bottom of the range or the rectangle, and now you're out. Okay, 694, 858, and then 1044. Things get nuts. All right, or just $10. Let's just say $10 because it's psychological resistance. What's up, Christopher Y? Thanks for the $10.01. What's up, Bitcoin Z?
Long time, Mitch. Happy New Year. Thoughts on BTH?
I don't know what that is. Thank you, dude, for the 20. We'll just add it to the list. Nano was asked for from Ivan. I haven't looked at that in so long, man. Hey, it pumped. Wow, what a broadening structure, right? Yeah, 21 minutes chat, so mysteries abound on Bitcoin. 21 minutes till your daily candle close. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. We are, in fact, about to, pretty much no matter what, I think, Bitcoin's going to make the highest daily candle close of all time. And I believe it would be a bullish engulfing candle to boot. Nano. Huge broadening top. Look at the supply line. I think you tried to break. Look at this, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, look at this, man. Yeah, dude. That's real. Very real supply line. I mean, it was kind of a scuffed inverse head and shoulders looking thing, you know, structure, right? I mean, anything above 88 cents you could have said was more bullish, right? And you stayed above it long enough.
The XRP listings are starting. Just announced dropping trading next week. I think this is why we are seeing such a spam for XRP, panicking to draw attention for it so they can try to get out and profit before getting stuck with a bag.
That seems what Flare was. That Flare snapshot thing seems exactly what the insiders on XRP were trying. They're like, who does an airdrop on XRP, on an asset that's been around as long as XRP? Who does that? So they like they got the price to pump one more time, and then they offloaded the rest of their position or whatever, the majority of their position on everyone's heads when it got to 94 cents, right? And all the idiots FOMO'd in. Yeah. It's super sketchy, man. All right. So Nano, it seems, is up against resistance. Above that, though, is not too much. It's the highest level where traders settled up on the daily on Nano to US dollar 192. That could be the next resistance. So you think if you do break the supply line at 160, 192 to 207 would be the target. And above that, you'd use Fibonacci, right? You use Fib extensions to get targets, but that hasn't happened yet. So lots of volume on that pump there. Pretty nice. I mean, it definitely had the makings, right? The lows, the lowest lows, now then the higher lows, right? So it was like momentum shifting stuff went on Nano, and now look at it. So like a lot of altcoins did that, okay? There you go, Ivan. Thanks, dude. Sparta to BNB. What? Dude, I'm telling you, it's like in Vegas Vacation when they go to the casino, pick a number between 1 and 10.
Tootsie Tindies for sure. Listening on the ride home, I pulled over to Hala. How's Ford looking?
I don't know, Cheddar. Thanks, man. We shouldn't care. We're just holding forward for like 5 years, right? I thought that was the plan. With the 10-year large Gartley, you just hang out. Hang out and collect Tindies.
Yet every single major
methodically
exchange supported Flare, and so quickly, even Coinbase.
Well, look at it now, man. Look, great stuff. I mean,
Mitch WhatsApp, what is your opinion? Is the price momentum too weak? ATH and rise on the big 3 BTC ETH LTC. What would indicate a double top?
Radish, you are so negative. You've been negative this whole run. Like every day almost. You not every day, but every other day you're talking, you just have cynicism about the run since like 9K, since 10K. All right, just cynicism. I don't know, man. Like all I know is the hidden bullish divergence would usher in an attempted rally. We're getting the attempted rally. You can either make a lower high, a double top, or a higher high. The way it looks like to me in these conditions, probably going to make the higher high and break 35K. Or you're at least going to test 35K, which we actually haven't done yet. So Sparta to BNB, if we're just looking at it as a chart, I mean, the lowest risk entry would be 2882. What is a BNB? You know how you have Satoshis for Bitcoins as a denominator. You have the Ways for Ethereum. What is it for BNBs?
Tindy's already in the bank and stopping the Tindy zone. Love this community, bro.
Off the Ether, things are threes, dude. GRT Connect. Hey, man, it's just low risk. Okay, we're gonna see what happens to all of them. They were just. Some days you get some good, good ones, and some days you don't get. Talking about the requests, and we've got several incredibly decent requests today that have all shown some have shown some very promising stuff at certain levels, right? So I don't know, man. Like you're not at real support until you get down to 2720, 2882, whatever's, a BNB's Binance coins. So. I mean, maybe hidden bullish divergence would be developing if you started pivoting now, but we have no idea if that would happen. Oh, wow.
Just wanted to say thanks Bartholomew, but also just scare you for a second thinking it's another S-Coin request. Cheers, clinking beer mugs. Thanks all always for the coverage.
Thank you, Element of P, for the 420.
Is that a joint?
Yeah, maybe it's a potential double bottom, man. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know the liquidity on this stuff. I don't know anyone who trades two BNB pairs. Sparta to BNB, no idea, dude. I know at this level, there's no support looking left, really. None. So you're just kind of in no man's land painting up potential double bottom that could play out or not. I don't know. There was bullish divergence, I guess, on the MACD that's begun to play out, but it's not really going much higher yet. Yeah, it could be something, but lower risk down here, not where you are now. So that's where I'd want to see a double bottom here, not here. Okay. The CZs? Is that what it is? Oh, that's,
The denomination
Troll.
of a BNB a coin is CZs.
oh, is it Matthew D? Is that real life? Thank you, dude. Thank you, man. Yeah, I just don't know about Sparta coin, man. Don't know about Bitcoin either. Right? It seems good, but so if you're out there and you're enjoying the live stream, thanks for the 2,244 people tuned in. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Right? We have 2,250 people watching, and we don't even have 600 likes. I must be doing something wrong. Could you tell me what I need to do for you to hit the like button? Just tell me, man. Like, well, you're not doing TA well enough. You suck. You know, like what can I do to get your like? You know, it's free. It doesn't cost anything. It's just tell me what I need to do, man. All right. My God. Oh, wait a second. Holy crap. Hey. Kenneth S., thanks so much for joining the Patreon, dude. Welcome. Please be sure to sing the Patreon on the Discord. You know the drill. Thanks so much, dude. Cheers. I'm in the chat.
Is that a joint?
Thank you. Wow, one more patron until 777. It would be a Leroy Jenkins. Let's go, dude. Boom, 800 likes like nothing. Oh, interesting to read Axe chat this evening. What's up with all the pings? What's going on? I don't see the pings.
Noise!
What's up, Danny? Good to see you again. Sorry, it's laggy. It's like the too many
Howdy
graphics.
doodly diddly dumb Mitch. Would you mind looking at this, please? God bless you, dude. Rejoining Patreon soon. A skunk sat on a stump and thunk, the stump stunk, but the stump thunk, the skunk stunk.
Thank you for the stump dunks, dude. Thank you, dude. No, Radish, no. Sometimes you are just literally being negative to be negative. Like, I'm like, you come in and it's almost like I know what you're gonna say, and I look at the chart and I'm like, that doesn't make any sense why you're saying that.
Last time I did not exit. Embarrassed smiley face. Smiley face. Could you take a look at that?
Take profit levels.
Very
Dude,
nice.
hidden bullish divergence. We're not at 35k yet. I mean, I just, anyway, I'm not even trying to... FTT. Man, y'all going for the bottom of the barrel, dude. The bottom. But man, on the bottom of the barrel, you got stuff that looks like this sometimes, I guess, right? Wow. What a beast FTX token to the US dollar tether's been. What do you want me to do, man? This is what I'm talking about. Like, what can I even do here? It's gone. I mean...
Sorry, Mitch. Fat fingers. Thoughts on Bitcoin Cash?
Oh, well, look, dude. Thank you, Bitcoin Z. $10. Again, psychological resistance. That's all we got in outer space like this, alright? Where is it? Coordinates? Oh, yeah. It's already done it once, right? So that's probably where it'd be headed now. It's overbought. There's nothing I can do, right? Maybe log scale. Maybe log scale, maybe high to low. Yeah, above the $10 psychological resistance could be 1164, 3618 fib extension. Wow, dude. Parabolic run. That's it. Right? It's beautiful, though. Very nice. Bitcoin Cash.
Can we take a look at Spin Coin and Chug Coin? They are very SE.
Go on.
Kappa. Where there's a
So
will, there's a
Batson.
way.
Sorry, hold on. I'm coming in really bad. Wow, that was bad timing. Oh, it's still there.
Wayfair daily weekly at 0.382 weekly
yep,
bulk
sorry.
log. All 3 times look good to me.
Sorry, dude. This is tough.
Argument for the scubbiest of scrub crabs on BTC 4 hours. 1 hour for clarity. Angry and upsloping support. However, not the wick. I know it's far from pretty. Spyballing here. Nice community. Winking face. Much love XOXO.
What's up, Steve?
Is that a joint?
We can get to it. We can look at it. Trying to keep up here. So your Wayfair, mega descending triangle behavior. .382 bull flag. I mean, I don't know, dude. I mean, you got a base of buying and you have classic distribution going on over and over and over again, right? So yeah, you're back above 234, which is good, but you know, below 234 is death, right? I mean, 173. So sure, I guess it's a decent way to size up risk, but this is certainly not hidden bullish divergence on the 4 hour. Oh, yeah, that is a form of hidden bullish divergence on the daily. Class B hidden bullish divergence. Okay. Some penny price action continuation to the upside. And it's a nice line, bullishly engulfed yesterday, held the 200-day moving average. Your first time touching the 200-day moving average since April 23rd, April 22nd. Dang, man. So maybe that could, yeah, that touching. All right, price touching the 200, hidden bullish divergence, back above the critical ice line that's been created since September. Maybe that could be it, man. Maybe this is how it rallies. You'll run up. I mean, you have to break 257. You haven't been able to do that. Right, you failed multitude of times. So
Expecting volatile day tomorrow. Appreciate all the work. Congrats to you and the team on the growth.
Is that a joint?
thank you, Nerd Herd, for the super laggy 420 in the jar. Much love. We're gonna have to refresh the cache soon. All right.
You
Oh my
see
God.
the V to the chain? V-chain? We going to the moon.
That's right, Mr. Breeze. Yeah, we looked at it.
Is that a joint?
We looked at it earlier in the day, the previous stream that I did a couple hours ago. Yeah, we let VeChain all-time highs hit, and it hasn't broken it though. It could be breaking it right now. It's up almost 14%. Hang tight. Oh my God! Hey, Poopster, thanks so much for joining the Patreon, dude. Let's go. Poopster happened to be the 700 and wait, there was someone. Who else? Oh, so what Poopster was 778. Javon was 777. Thank you so much, Javon, for the holy Jesus number. Double Jesus chimes. Laura Jenkins. Clapping. We did it, man. Thank y'all. Nice. Yeah, so with this one, man, it's pretty, where would I target here? You know, it's kind of an all-time highs world. You would think that being conservative, all you could do is just go with your previous local high from 288. I think that would, right? Or if you were gonna be really arrogant here, you know, and swing for the fences and say, I don't want anything unless it hits all-time highs again. You know, if it held and it's holding again. Right? At least you know you want nothing to do with this asset below 234 at this point. Nothing, dude. Nothing. Because you could find your way at 173 again. Alright? So maybe there's a range, but top's only been tested once, so just distribution. So if you make another lower high here, it might be, and it starts pivoting, going down, it might be good to just, you know, if one was making profit, one could just be like, I'm done. Okay, another consecutive lower high with a base of buying. Let's see how far this daily hidden bullish divergence can take us on Wayfair. You have volatility tomorrow. Seems very likely. Yeah, big time, to say the least, right? Volatility with a capital V. Chug and spin coin. REIT. So Bitcoin Cash, $420 right now as I'm speaking to you.
Is that a joint?
You probably can't because stockholders, right?
I mean, it's legal, right?
It's totally legal.
Nice. $500 target. That's been, posted a chart on this a couple days ago. Once you broke 383, there's not much of any resistance until $498, $500. So that's very well where it could be going. Always a chance it could come and back test 353, but what does that mean? I mean, Bitcoin's probably sold off or something, right? So yeah, target's $500 on Bitcoin Cash. That's simple. That's pretty much the way it's been since it broke 353. Holy crap! What's up, Luke? Man, Luke1403. Thank you so much for joining the Patreon. Please be sure to sing the Patreon, the Discord. Let's go, dude. Let's go.
Is that a joint?
Price discovery, or patron discovery, I guess is what you could call it. Thank you, Luke, man. 779 patrons. Never before seen. This is wild. Thank y'all. Spin and chug coin. I mean, dude, I'm a gamble here, and it's just to, because I know what's gonna happen, where it won't land chug. It just won't. There's no way it's gonna do it again. See, too easy. So I'm safe. Alright, dot. I think Radish wanted dot. Yeah, not much you can really do on this one. It's so high up. It's testing $10 psychological resistance. That's all it is. And it's not breaking it yet. If it breaks it, I'm thinking, it's probably going up to 1138. Probably the top of this little channel we're in right now. Can extend this out and get a couple more touches maybe. Alright, just a little channel. Heartline. Target's like 1130-ish. If it ever broke $10 in the heart line of the channel. That's it. Kind of looks like it's showing hidden bullish divergence, but it's not catching the bids. It needs to keep the maturity of the hidden bullish divergence going, like kind of building negative momentum.
RSR and price discovery smile. Today is a good day. Plus, I don't know what's up with reserves tweets.
You don't know what's up with them? I don't either, Bryce, because I don't check them. Thank you, man, for the 10. Hey, good for reserve your rights. It's great, man. Some of these S coins doing things, you had to pay attention. I mean, some of them are respecting TA, some are about to look like they're about to respect the living crap out of TA. Yeah, dude, here it is. Yep, all-time highs. Yep, today, bullish engulfing candle. Gotta love how you broke where traders set it up their highest level. You broke it, you back tested it, you back tested it again, and today you're break hooking going total, right? Above that high. So we have Fibonacci. I thought I'd done the fibs here. 1272. 4.7 cents. That's it. The gold mean ratio is 5.7 cents on reserve your rights. Great. Very good. Yep, we got less than 2 minutes to your close, so it is that time again. Look on needs. Oh my god, man. Still stuck at the 886. Nothing's changed, right? You went up a little bit higher from the day stream, but you're right back where you were, so it's nothing that special on this 4-hour candle. You were green on momentum, you went positive, now you're not. Now you're just neutral to a little negative. So those buyers came in and the selling came in right after. So sleaze. You check the description, dude.
Can you take a look at DNT/use?
Could you check the description, DNT? Even though we did look at it today, and it was one of those that looked good. Yeah, DNT looked great earlier.
GRT pumping, let's go.
Yeah, it was probably our freaking stream that's pumping it. Some S coin, I don't know, man. Thank you, dude. No, you're good, dude. You no need to even apologize. We got 20 seconds though, so we're just watching. We're about to have the highest daily candle close of all time for Bitcoin. So we are here together once more, a historical live stream. Let's go, dude. Here it is. You can't take it away from us. 3, 2, 1. New day. All-time highs.
Sorry.
We did it, man. Very nice. Very nice, dude. So I mean, it's like 35K. So why has that not even been tested yet? I don't know. You're gonna go up and down. There's gonna be. I mean, I don't know if there's gonna be price action right out the gate on the new day or not. Normally there isn't. So. I can't even remember what chart it was that I was looking at. No, that's not it. Is it? Where is it? Found it. Yes, bullish engulfing candle confirmed on DNT, the US dollar, at the bottom of the range. Upside, your target, no matter what. I mean, you're not settling for anything below 6.8 cents on DNT. Okay? This is a range-bound asset. It's holding the range for now, and it engulfed, and it's staying above it for now. So there could be more chop and stuff. I'm just telling you, these are low-risk areas, high-risk areas up here. So this is upside, where you're won't be taking profit near the top of the range. 3-to-1 roll to risk. You know how to manage risk. Alright, we don't want anything to do with DNT below like 4 pennies. That's it. Simple. I'm gonna have to refresh my cache, dude. I think it's so laggy that... Did that tip come through? That's super laggy, dude. Wow. Bueller? What's up, thanks for the 2,300 people tuned in. If you're enjoying the live stream, the like button, the bell, that sub, you know in seconds we could have 1,000 likes if y'all wanted to, right? It's y'all's power and will. We could see it. DNT looking very interesting here, alright? There, that just happened.
Mitch, do you think Bitcoin has taken on a different vibe since the calendar clicked 2021? Institutional FOMO?
Not stayed about the same. I was doing that since October 19th and kind of October 8th. PayPal and Square, news-driven catalysts, both different ones. So, nah, it's just the same drumbeat as we had seen since October. So, same vibe. Bullish as F vibe. Okay. Alright, rest in peace, jar. It was a beautiful jar. Very well diversified with different emoji balls. But, sadly, we can't have nice things. Thanks, Stream Elements, for sucking. Sorry, man. Trying to catch my bearings here. I've been live for an hour and 20 minutes. Holy crap. Wow. There you go. 1,000 likes. Thank y'all. 1,000 likes. Jesus chumps. Boom. I would hardly call that a pump on GRT yet. Soon though, maybe. It's at an area where it would make sense to pump. Just like DNT is at an area where it looks possible for a pump, but man, you know, how long is it gonna be up there? If it does. So, big range. Okay, sorry. Thank God, John, you're not asking for Vibe Coin, which is actually a crypto S coin from 2017.
I know you know,
Gross.
but VeChain doing things.
Yeah. Yeah, dude. The song is Darude by Sandstorm. The song is named Darude by Sandstorm, okay? Thank you. Everyone forget about Maker, dude. $30 from third target trade setup. Oh yeah, VeChain, since people are talking about it. Yeah, we looked at it earlier. It's at all-time highs. Yep. It's above all-time highs at a 1414 fib extension from that high to low. 1414 tested it yesterday, and now just immediately out the gate, we're up 2.29%. If you ever broke 2.88 cents, your target would be 3.1724 cents at the gold mirror ratio. That's it. Now, if we start going above that, I'd be zooming out on the daily, weekly, and then looking at the previous high to the lowest low. Right, and then we would get major fib extensions at that point. Then it's like it could double, like it could go price discovery mode, and it's already at that level. I mean, this yellow line right here, 2.7. Oh, hold on, let's make sure. Yeah, that's it. You're at all-time highs right now, VeChain. Let's go, dudes.
VeChain doing things.
Beautiful. Nothing more to talk about. This was it. Back tested the breakouts perfectly. Morning star. Broke the supply line, kept selling off, and then all the targets hit and now exceeded. Welcome to crypto, where targets, if they get hit and there's craziness, then they get exceeded. The short-term indicators for Bitcoin was hidden bullish divergence and pending price action continuation in the upside. We're getting it. TA is being respected again on Bitcoin. Are you kidding me? Over and over and over. This cycle, it's been amazing. It's definitely Sandstorm by Darude by Sandstorm. No, the name of the song is Darude by Sandstorm. Okay. The band's name is Sandstorm. Sorry, dude, trying to catch up, man. A lot of craziness going on. Okay. The song is also called You Could Imagine. Yeah, you know. I'm not even going to say it. Sorry, chat. You tried to break 34K. You did for a minute, and then that was it. So... this is how it goes, man. You're gonna get ups and downs. Seldom does like a new day start and you just start running. It's just so rare. So you just get the ups and downs, man. Like we're attempting a rally here, and so far it's a lower high than the previous high. You would think the way it's set up on the oscillators in the 4 hour, we would be getting much more follow through price action. Right? More positive momentum, histogram island, or just histogram wicks growing, making an island. You'd think we would get something more. So we have to get the follow through. We have to. Otherwise, we start running the risk of a double top, which in these market conditions, it's always possible double top, but a super bullish trend, man. Really, really bullish trend. Yeah, so pray for the S coins while Bitcoin chops around before it makes more or higher highs. All-time highs too. No one said XRP was literally dead. Yeah, people can buy it and sell it if they want to, but it's about opportunity costs. It's about there's inflation happening on the US dollar, and it's like, why have your money sitting in XRP when I could go into something that actually makes higher highs, higher lows throughout its history? XRP doesn't do that. Guess what? If you owned XRP August 2018, and you held it, and you're continuing to hold it right now, you're not doing anything. You're actually losing money, because not only is it a lower price than it was in August 2018, I think still, inflation's happening. So what are you doing? Opportunity cost. You just wasted all those years having money in an asset that hasn't appreciated at all. and now it's lower. So there's no argument for holding XRP long term. It's stupid, dude. It's proven, empirical evidence is proven that it's stupid to hold XRP. The only people arguing are the ones that are bag holders, that are delusional, that have drank Kool-Aid from these YouTube influencers of XRP. That's it. And look, people freaking out. Bitcoin pulled back. Oh my God, it's going to go up. It's going to go down. Be sure to join the Discord, though. Sorry, all. Been all over the place today, man. All right, there's the Discord link. Join it. 10,000, going on 10,300 members. Very active. Knock it out, dude. Okay. That's where, I mean, and again, YouTube's notification system's gonna fail you. Like, I'm gonna do a random stream at 3 a.m. because Bitcoin's pumping, and you're gonna be like, dang, man, I missed the stream because you weren't in the Discord because YouTube won't notify you. Especially if I do like 2 streams in a day, you'll get notified the first one, but you won't get notified the second one. You'll miss the entire stream. So that's why Discord's so important.
That 0.035 is the 127.2, which lines up beautifully with the measured move of the withdrawal accumulation range it's just broken out of. 161.8 is 0.044.
Is that a joint?
Doing tanks. Yeah, boy.
Thank you for the VeChain doing things, Steve. 420. Yep, Vetmoon Boy. He's staring down upon us, not because he's dead, but he's in outer space somewhere, alright? He's looking down on us and smiling, alright? Ron, I don't know, dude. It's crazy. I mean, it's just... we talked about market conditions and assets performance in market conditions, and when the macro is strong and you're doing terrible like XRP, it's so bad. Because like when Bitcoin pulls back and actually corrects for real, XRP is going to get devastated worse than anything else. It's gross, dude. Super gross. Check on futures. The stock futures are super flat, not really doing anything. It moved calm before the storm, right? The breath before the hole, whatever it's called, the lull before the something. Oh, what did Gandalf say? I can't remember. That's happening for stocks. Bitcoin 34,235. Just a little while ago, we hit all-time highs of 34,805. I think we were alive when that happened. It was nice. The love before the go. Yeah, that's it, dude. Yeah, just follow the TA. And if your coin's got a lawsuit and can't back up revenues it makes for you, the coin holder, there's no point in holding it, okay? Because the only thing backing most of these coins is speculation. Almost all of them, right? So Bitcoin has actual trust, real trust. People actually trust that Bitcoin is a store of value now. That's certain. You're delusional to think that's not true. People do trust it, okay? That's why Bitcoin's at $34,000 right now, roughly. So something like XRP or anything else for the most part, VeChain or they have good ideas and projects, right? But like they don't tell you if they make a profit or revenue. They don't report it quarterly, and they don't have to. So why would they? So if they don't have revenue and services and goods that they provide to customers to back up their price, then they have nothing but speculation. So that's why this is not so much an investor's market as it is a trader's market. Okay? Stocks, look at them. Higher highs, higher lows. Walmart, right? Oh, well, they're getting sued too by the DOJ. But guess what? Bounced off the demand line. Yeah, Walmart. Because they have hundreds of millions of dollars of revenue, quarterly revenue that they report. And they change lives. They help people. They did a great job throughout the pandemic, you know. So did Amazon. All the other ones. Well, maybe it's because the government mandated shutdowns killed small business, and maybe that was the plan the whole time, dude. Scary. Yeah, Clive, man. Well, the people that normally make XRP centerpiece of conversation are the crazy psychos that are spamming XRP bullish crap that doesn't make any sense and it's unfounded. So, oh no, we didn't look at Litecoin this stream. We can't. We did see I'm having deja vu, man, because we looked at all these on the earlier stream. So it's look, anything above 145 is bullish. Anything below it, well, you got a little range, man. It can go down to 137 and test that again. You know. It's attempting a rally, and it's not making a higher high. It made a lower high on the attempted rally, and you were making hidden bullish divergence. But if the negative momentum picks up like this, then it's could very well see itself down at 146 again. It's just like following Bitcoin right now. Oh, okay. Sure. Dang, dude, thanks for all the new Discord members. Holy crap. And thanks for the new patrons today. My God, man. Yep, 779 patrons, dude. That's like all-time highs. It's incredible, man. Just checking on everything.
Tesla $800 this month.
If it was going to be anything, it'd be Tesla Arwen, right? Upgraded to that price, which is unbelievable. This thing is nuts. It's whack. Freaking whack. After hours, it's sitting at 753.50. Nice uptrend. Look how I love how it held. Right, it had 1 and 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom, and look how it just held that demand line. It kept holding it, and then broke all-time highs, and now it's broken the heart line of the channel. Very well respected heart line, and now it's held today. And so what's going to happen? Tomorrow's going to gap up. It could fill the gap, but you're thinking the next target's $780, which is like Citibank's or Goldman Sachs, one of their upgrades. And so you now have a new upgrade from another institution at 800. Right? So yeah, sure. If it's going to be anything, it's going to be Tesla up there. 780, 800. Crazy asset. Yeah, about 4 members away from 10,300. Let's go, dude. On Discord. Thanks for the 2,168 people tuned in. Thanks for the 1,141 likes. We hit the 1K. We couldn't. I don't think we could do it on the earlier stream, but this is like my regular scheduled time, so I get that. Hey, ASMR, dude, you gotta love mechanical. Dude, if you don't have a mechanical keyboard, you should definitely give it a try. I had not used a mechanical keyboard, I think maybe ever, which is crazy because I used to game a lot back in college and stuff. And man, once you go mechanical, you don't go back. It's so weird. When I'm on the spaceship stream, like in my spaceship, I have my old keyboard. Oh, don't like it.
Happy New Year. Can we look at B&B? Love this stream and the Patreon. Peace and love. Stay undefeated, my friend.
What's up, Cakeology? Oh, dude, we all take L's. We all fall off the horse.
How many, like me?
But we got to get back up, man.
Well,
Well, that's what makes you who you are. It's how, when you do get kicked off the horse, because every single human being is going to do it, how do you respond, right? When you get hit in the
Can we
face,
look
how
at
do you
B&T?
respond?
Thanks, bro.
Remember that time B&B showed an effing
Enjoying
bullish
watching
bat?
history unfold with you, Mitch. Do
God,
you have an
so
exit
gorgeous.
target for DNT? 0.
Yeah, top of the range.
0.0924992 ETH.
It was top of the range, yeah. Assuming Bitcoin doesn't crap out on its attempted rally, which is, it would be real sad if it did. Hold on.
Take a look at Dollar Run. Been holding since IPO. TC tax credits were recently extended for solar, and all new construction are required to have solar panels.
Alright, Bryce, thanks, man. Hey, Mike M. Welcome, dude. Thanks so much for joining the Patreon. Hyper freaking chat, man. Let's go.
Is that a join?
Thank you, Mike. Please be sure to sing the Patreon, the Discord. You know what to do, man. You gotta be in the Discord. You gotta be able to participate in the Patreon Discord chat. That's where the value is, man. It's crazy. Alright, so B&B, I don't know what to tell you, dude. It's like gone berserk. It's gone berserk, man. So, nice uptrend. I mean, we could probably chart a channel or something, right? Maybe one or two here. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Yeah, nice little channel it looks like there. Just selling all the Bitcoin. I'm sure everything is kind of doing that. All-time highs. Remember, this yellow line, 39.37, was the highest level of all time for BNB back here, June of 2019. So I would think that maybe looking at the daily here, we could just Fibonacci. Almost a sharkish behavior, high to low. You could be reversing soon. 1272 fib extensions, maybe a target if you could sustain prices above all-time highs, right? Which is 48.64.
Hey, check VChain, please. I think it's going on an uptrend.
A little late for that, Hollow, but yeah, I mean, we already looked at it this stream and last stream. But yeah, we can lag against down 2.5%, so it's not really done anything since we looked at it earlier. And Bitcoin's only selling off right now, $33,429 at its low point of the new day. But you're gonna get there. You're gonna get ups and downs, man. Just because a new day happens doesn't mean that like you get immediate follow through price action to the upside. You got to get wicks, the shadows downside, and then you rally later, maybe, right? It's going to. That's it, man. If it sustains prices above its all-time highs long enough, then $48 to $50 will be the target on BNB eventually. All right. Pray for Bitcoin. to not crash, and it could probably continue on its amazing run. Okay. But just don't forget, man, the power of a harmonic pattern at a critical ice line. I mean, this was the most critical support resistance that existed besides the all-time high. That was it, man. $25, $27. It was also a trade setup. We had 2 targets. 2 of the 3 targets hit before that big dump on Bitcoin. And then another opportunity presented itself on BNB. So, anyway. BNT now. Someone requested BNT. At the same time, someone requested BNB. Really weird. Gross. Look how nasty it was today. The new... Ouch. Nice one, dude. Get wrecked. Well, I guess it's above like, kind of like, you know, range and ugh. Giving back all those gains. Look at that volume, that sell off. After that nice move up, probably just wrecked a bunch of FOMOers. So it's just coming to back test the breakout, I guess. The breakout at 150. Maybe if it can hold out long enough, it can rally again, but no edge. It did break out. Add that little wick there too, and then we're trader set it up. There's not much data here, right? It went up to that point from December 16th, and now it's just pulled back completely. Down 19.8% in 26 minutes, chat. Did you hear me? Down 19% in very little time. User friendly. Let's go. Hype in the freaking chat. Boom. Thanks so much for joining the Patreon. Please be sure to sync with the Patreon and Discord. Let's go, dude. Kings. Alright, that was your request. You got it, man. I've such little data, very little to go off of. It's very tough for me to analyze this stuff. So that's support resistance. And wow, it's down 20%. Get wrecked. FOMOers. Again, that DNT, I can't remember where it was. It was Coinbase. Yeah, Coinbase, the target for DNT is like 65 to 68 cents, man. That's it. Top of the range. There's just a little minor resistance here too. Got a lot of touches. So 63 to 68 cents is your target for DNT if it holds, okay? Up here. You can't settle for anything lower because of the equitability, right? It's got to be a 3-to-1 reward to risk. And you got to have a strategic stop below the critical ice line, the support of the range, right? Bottom of the range. Okay, DNT. Looking good, but could fail, of course, but that's why you have a strategic stop loss set up where it would fail, okay? But at this point, holding like that's very good, and we could see higher prices again. I like Solar. Wow, I love Solar. Solar like reminds me of Theta and Bitcoin. Jesus. Run. Sunrun, sorry. Yep. Hidden bullish divergence, I bet, from this low to this one on the daily. No, just bullish convergence. Yeah, dude. Yeah, this is great. This is going to hit all-time highs at some point in the future. Probably. I mean, this is so bullish. Stupid bullish. Once it breaks all-time highs, if it does, your target is $91. You break $91, I think you're going to $100. So gold mean ratio is 102. Makes sense. $100 target on this eventually on run. You got one bottom, a second bottom, maybe consider a third bottom. Lots of accumulation showing up after a sell-off. Big run. Yeah, all-time highs could be coming on run. Okay. Ethereum? What about Ethereum? Why are y'all saying Ethereum? It's doing nothing. It's down 2%. So it's not even $1,100. There's no point to be talking about Ethereum, dude. 1280 was the target if it ever could really get back above that 786. New link, okay. Alright, here's the new Discord link, chat.
Biggest red is selling in phase at $8. Embarrassed smiley face. Smiley face.
Enphase was nuts, dude. I remember Enphase was going on a crazy run, then it sold off some, and then people, I remember like I just had on Mad Money with Kramer there, and people asked about Enphase if they should get back in, and he said no. He was like no, and then it went up bonkers. I mean, it went up absolutely absurd. Thank you, dude. Very cool. All right, man. Run. Could be ready to go again. $91. Well, first let's say $82, and then $91, and then $100. 3 targets on run price. V-chain again. You know, second, third time. It's tweezer top. You know, hopefully that doesn't happen today. Bitcoin pumps, then it's not going to happen. It'll probably catch some bids and run, but it's hit a 1414 fib extension from that previous high to low. 1414. You break the 1414, the 1618 is 3.1 cents. Gold-me ratio. So I don't know. I think he said to not rebuy because it had gone up so much already, and I think he was just doing what everyone else was like. I don't know, man. That thing went on a crazy run already. So. Dude, we want 1 trillion. Chat, give me 1 trillion market cap, please. I would really, really appreciate it. Thank you. What's 100 billion, man? That'll give you $100 billion. $100 billion for 1 trillion. We could do it, man. If we wanted, truly. And then Bitcoin's market cap is currently sitting at 628 billion. Very close, man, to the all-time highs. But since Alibaba had a good day today, Bitcoin's going to pick up the slack. Yeah. Hey, thanks for the 2,076 people here. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that bell us up. We'll see if we can get 1,300 likes. We could do that in seconds, I think, right? It's possible. It's good for stream discoverability and all that. So, XLM, my God, is up 6.5% right now. Are you kidding me, dude? Remember this, chat? Remember the bullish Gartley that didn't look that great? But then we were presented new pieces of data, and we said, whoa, whoa. Not so fast, my friend. Double bottom engulfing, butting up against the resistance. Oh yeah, dude. And so here it is, 20.863 cents. If you break that, 23.18 cents. Imagine. You know what? I said I was gonna stop talking about it, Brad. We're not talking about it, but you can imagine what I was gonna say. All right. Then this is XLM. XLM wins. I haven't looked at this in a while. Bitcoin dominance, anyone? Got wrecked, reversed at the reversal point. What? You're hearing this right? Reversed at the reversal point? Mother of God. And that's when Ethereum went on its insane run, and some altcoins did too. V-chains at all-time highs. Yeah, dude. So good for TA somehow working on this chart and not really, nothing implying a reversal here. It just big bearish engulfing, but it's kind of recovered a little bit, not by much. So back below the resistance, the big resistance between 70 and 73%, right? Yeah. So if that keeps going down, you can imagine altcoins would continue to rally. But don't sleep on Bitcoin, man. That looks so primed, so close to busting out again and shocking the world even more. Are we cool, chat? What was it? Sorry. That's right, we were just relaxed here. We're just hanging out, enjoying ourselves, watching XLM Moon Boys rejoice. But the XLM Moon Boys had to respect the TA. And this is not the first legendary like trade setup on XLM, right? It's not. We had the other one, the textbook bullish cipher that took you all the way back to late September, just like Litecoin and Kings, man. Freaking Kings. Perfect. So next target's 23 cents. If you can actually believe it, alright? Look at this, man. 100% retrace. What happened? My Pew Pew mass text message group. You know, the people that, like, if S ever hit the fan, we're ready to go. Right? We're ready to go, man. The Boogaloo ever happened to my peoples. They finally brought up Bitcoin today, and they're like, oh my god. And they showed the price at like 33,500. It's like, yeah, I didn't want to bother y'all with that, you know? Since it's what I do every day. Gotcha. Brad, gotcha. Brad just took profit on the XLM trade. Let's go, dude. Did that happen today? Grayscale dumps XRP.
XRP. Price gonna dip.
Sorry, man. Been live for 2 hours, so we're just hanging out. We watched Bitcoin just close at its highest level of all time, while XLM continues to pump. It's up It's up 11% right now as I'm talking to you, chat.
Bruh.
XLM stands alone, not alone. XLM, the champion, the king of centralized blockchain transactions between banks. XLM, the best, the standard for that little industry, whatever, right? Subsector. I think we could all agree XLM is far superior to the other asset. Look at this, dude. Killing it. Up 12% now. Sub you, Seth. Yeah, dude, just an ETF, right? Probably. My God. This ETF is down 24% after hours. What happened, Youssef? Look, this asset was at 82.32 today, pretty much at all-time highs, right? And somehow, after hours, it's sitting right here at 62.65. I'm looking at it. This is... What? Not this? Something else? It's the only one I saw. Oh, international, not on the... Oh, on OTC. Oh yeah. That. I don't know, man. What's the volume on this, dude? It's like 15K. So nah. I mean, it's just a vehicle maybe to own solar, I guess. If this keeps up, probably target 224. Yeah, been a good run. Hey, it kind of reminds me of Bitcoin. Wow. This is like Bitcoin on the 4 hour, right? Where you had hidden bullish divergence, right? A low, the higher low like Bitcoin. And now you're attempting your rally like Bitcoin. And you're just at all time, or not all time highs, but your highest side of the run. So it's kind of similar to Bitcoin. It kind of, you didn't engulf technically, but definitely close, right? So the target you would think is 224, 225. If it keeps going, I don't know. It's not overbought, so could rally. There's one little peak right here at 195. You think this is the zone where it would run to. All right. Cardano is now up. Yep, Cardano's running like XLM, the king. XLM, the superior payment processor for banks. XLM, killing it. Mooning. Leaving all other competitors in the dust like jokes that they are. Here's Cardano. Yep. Broke the range, hit the target. Now we know where it's going. Probably 30 cents. No support resistance looking left. This is how it works, man. I mean, this is a clear textbook example of.
See what happens, Larry?
When you break critical historical resistance and there's no more resistance to higher prices, you run like crazy. That's ADA, man. Probably gonna, I mean, if things don't go bad for Bitcoin, this thing could end up much higher than up 2.4%. This thing could run to 30 cents. Okay? Beautiful. This was the range. The range, you broke out, you had the targets, and now you're, again, next target's 30 cents. Unbelievable, right? So Charizard. Remember the monthly chat. This is all you needed to know. If you were a member of this community and you paid attention, we told you about it. We were probably the only people in the world to talk about a rising 3 methods bullish continuation pattern on the monthly. You never see that.
Long-term hodl position, almost no-brainer emo.
I mean, I don't know. There've been plenty of times I talked about it, you know. So, yeah, like you gotta. Did she know that? I mean, we talked about it already today. Like 35% of all current U.S. dollars in circulation right now were created this year alone. You think there's nothing wrong with that? Central banks know. They've already discussed it at all their meetings, right? That digitization of the fiat system is coming. China's already doing it. They're going to do it too. We're going into, if that happens, then central banks can individually change your interest rates. So we're in that world of, Raoul Paul calls it behavioral economics, where if you say something wrong, they can affect you like immediately, instantly. So Bitcoin is freedom from that crazy dystopian world where we are heading. They are destroying the US dollar. They're at war. They want it to be destroyed because they want a new world reserve currency. Bitcoin is keeping you safe from all the crap that's coming. It is coming. Okay? Talk about the Great Reset. Why don't you just get her to talk to what's his name? Claude Schwab or whatever his name is. Watch the World Economic Forum of those crazy psychos. They have so much money, and they're so bored that they're the ones that think they have the power to control all of us because they have that much money, right? Bill Gates, all of them, Soros, right? They're there, and they want to control us. So this is a way of breaking away from that in many ways. Decentralized. Klaus Schwab, not Claude. Okay, whatever. Anyway, there's plenty of reasons why Bitcoin's good for the long term, but unfortunately you missed out hardcore on a lot of the run. So anyway, Cardano, this was no surprise. Rising 3 Methods, that's the name of my literal company, chat. Rising 3 Methods LLC. Here we go. Continuation, the Jesus. Next target, 34 cents on the monthly. There's nothing till 34 cents on the monthly time scale. Okay. See ya, Cardano. Beautiful. Keep it going. Hanging in there, Bitcoin's just up and down. It's what we do. It's what it does on new days. It creates shadows and wicks, and then it goes up and down, and then eventually, a few hours, 10 hours, 15, 16 hours later, it pumps or dumps, right? BJ Hendrickson, nice stuff, dude. Yeah, plenty of people bought Dogecoin when it was back testing a breakout for the first time in history. You were warned copious amounts of times on the stream. Same with Hex, right? Just the TA. It's just the technical analysis being respected, man. Gotta love it. It's the mantra, the soul, the aura of this channel, of this community. Gotcha. That's why we can't have nice things, right? Been live 2 hours plus. Wow, nice. Very, very nice. So, something like 3.5 hours of streaming today. Not bad, man. Trying to come back with a roar after just feeling kind of rough yesterday. Still kind of not 100%, but I'm hanging in there, man. While we are 11 likes away from 1,300, I think that's possible, dude. We could definitely make that happen. So might be good is to pull back like I did earlier. You know, just take a pullback on stream. And then if we get some sort of insane price action, which it seems very possible, where you're kind of on Bitcoin bullish breakout watch, okay? All-time high breakout watch right now. And if it happens, I'm going to do everything I can to come back to go live for some price action stream and to check on some of those altcoins that were actually looking pretty interesting. Remember the gun guy? Pretty interesting gun. It's like that, but some of these charts were like the guns he was showing off on YouTube. Wi-Fi ever gonna move, dude? I'm not giving up on it yet, man. This, you know, it's in these situations. People are like, I'm about to get out of Wi-Fi because it's not pumping. And it's like, all right, man. Well, you're not patient enough, I guess. So Wi-Fi could be a great lesson for people to maintain solvency during times of irrationality. You can't give up on Wi-Fi yet. But you can't. Sorry.
BTC is among the top 10 most valuable assists globally. Rocket.
Yeah, top 10, man. Top 10. I think number 9. But really, it's like number 10 because gold, I guess. I don't know. No, it's mandatory, Drog. So you're right, but it's also mandatory. Like, you won't be successful without patience. Yeah, what's the Cardano thing that's coming out? You got, what, Nimblewimble on Litecoin. What's Cardano's again? What's it called? Lanny, Yanny, Bofani. What was it? Yep, Cardano continuing to climb. No surprise, up 3.5%. Very cool. XRP up 3.59%. Who cares? It's down 10 trillion%, whatever. Great. Shelly. That's what it was. Shelly. Cardano was Shelly. So we know Cardano extreme amounts upside, especially after that monthly 3 rising 3 methods. Beautiful. Gotta love it. That's the most sexual pattern out there probably for Japanese candlesticks, in my opinion. It's my favorite. All right, just remember, reiterating, total or Bitcoin's market cap, all-time highest level where traders settled up, and you had a close of 632.484 billion, which is again record. Sure, you got the wick there, but who cares? It's about the close. That's what's most important to me, anyway. All right. So it's been a fantastic stream. I really appreciate the 2,000 people still tuned in on this 2-hour and 6-minute live stream, my second live stream of the day. And what we'll do is if, oh my God, just as DXY chat, multi-year lows. Multi-year lows. Let's go to the US dollar that is currently dumping. Getting wrecked, chat.
Good.
All right, see you at 89.22. Multi-year lows. Lowest levels since April 2018. And you're going down even more, man. What kind of timing is that, chat? I'm like, I'm about to be out of here, then beep. Great for everything else. Yeah, Georgia election dumping the DXY, because, yep, if you get more or less conservative people, then you're going to have more stimulus, and that's terrible for the US dollar, right? Because of inflation. Cause and effect, right? Great for the numerator of Bitcoin to the US dollar. Denominator getting thrashed. Great for Bitcoin, man. Just, I feel really bad for the people that weren't paying attention, that missed out on all this run, that the run could continue. We know it's very possible. I told you, we're on Bitcoin all-time high breakout watch. So, I'll just be back if we get that. We're getting close. Get the Hey Song primed. But until then, enjoy the sights and the sounds of the technical analysis. Thanks for the likes, love, support, contributions, the new patrons. I'll be back.
Will you take a look at Digibuy? DGB.
$10 minimum.
Heisman alert.
Send the
Roll tap.
description. Yep, Heisman alert. Devontae got it. It's locked up. Till next time. Respect the T. A. Wow, dude. Bitcoin going green? Are you kidding me? I mean, I'm here, dude, but it's just like, what's going on with Bitcoin, man? What's going on with Bitcoin, man? Something in the water, there's something in the air, something in our computers. Okay. Devontae Smith!
Not the biggest. I've been down a lot just because of my size. And really, it just comes down to you put your mind to it, you can do it. No job is too big. If you put your mind to it, you can do it, and just keep believing in God, and you'll get where you want to be. I would like to thank Jeff Allen and the athletic training staff here for giving me all the resources to continue playing this game, to keep me healthy, so I can go out there and do the things that I like to do. Thank our president, Dr. Bell, and our athletic director, Mr. Burns, just for being here and making everything possible with COVID going on and giving us a chance to play this season. Thank you. Roll Tide.
Roll Tide, baby. Let's go.
Bruh.
is JP. I am a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
XRP. Price gonna dip.
Adios, turd nuggets.